Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Google survey form. So of course, you need to have a Google account or Gmail account and just log in it in your browser. And once you are here, just scroll down this bottom and you can see here the form. And after you click this form, you will go directly to this page, and as you can see here, I already have some survey, but just click this for the new form. So here in the top you can add the title, so I'm just gonna make YouTube survey or whatever title you want to add here. So once you are done with the title, you can now add here the descriptions, and in the side of the survey you will see some options. So add questions, videos, add selections, and etc. So what we're going to show you is just how to add the questions. So just click this, and as you can see, you can type here the questions that you want to add, and you can also add options in the bottom. And by the way, there are different type of options or questions that you can add also. For example, this one is multiple choice, so you just have to add this like that. And if I'm gonna change this for short answer and checkbox, so you can add more options as you want. So that's how you create a question. So I'm gonna try to make questions here so that you can see how I do it. So the first question I'm gonna make is multiple choice. So I will just type this: have you subscribed my channel? And this will be, or the options of the answers will be yes or no. So this is a multiple choice. So just like that, remove the other options, and there you go, you already have the multiple choice question. Now I'm gonna add another question, which is checkbox. So I'm gonna type another questions here, just like what video you would like to watch in my channel, and we'll change the option of this question to checkbox. So you can add as many as you want checkbox here. So I will just add 2, and that's it. That's how you make questions in the survey. You can add other selections here or use the options on the side, but now I'm gonna show you how to send this. So all you have to do is click this send, and it will automatically save. So just click this send, and there are options here. You can just use the link or copy the link or send it to the email, or you can send it or share it in Facebook and Twitter. Since you're done and you know how to send it to your respondents or your target people that you want to add or be part of your survey, so I'm gonna show you now just example of the result of the survey, but this is a different survey which I use in my research. Since there is no responses here yet, since we don't send it to the people or to someone that we want to be part of the survey. So I will just show you, this is the research survey. Just have a mini research in our subject. So all you have to do is just go to responses. So those are the email, the name I put, and these are the result of the questions. So you can see the percentage here, and you can just copy this graph that, and you can use it to your PowerPoint. So that's how you make or you use the Google survey form. I hope that you learned something in this video, and if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.